Hello friends, welcome to my channel PP Sir, and today I'm going to tell you about the resolution of force, which is an important topic in mechanics that we'll study at the level of first year. Here I have chosen first topic as resolution of force, which means I made it simple to understand the students. So the definition goes like this: splitting of a single inclined force into two components along x and y axis is known as the resolution of force. Now I am going to tell you how to resolve the force. Now look at here, case 1. As the force given is in first quadrant, I have shown the x and y axis. Now look at here, this is a force F which is making an angle theta with respect to x axis. So look at here, this is a force. When I bring this force, it means whenever we come across a force which is inclined in nature, that has to be resolved on x and y, because we have a constant that we have equilibrium condition which tells us to add only the forces which are acting on x axis or acts along y axis. So it is very advantageous to resolve the force whenever it is inclined. Now in the first case, as I have chosen where the force is in first quadrant, which is making an angle theta, when I bring this force to x axis, when I bring this force to x axis, it is acting towards the right. So I will show here the force is acting towards the right. First write the magnitude of force, which is F in this case, multiplied by cos of theta. Okay. First write the magnitude of force, then followed by cos of theta, because angle for the force is given with respect to x axis, so x component is cos. Similarly, when I bring the same force magnitude F along y axis, it is acting upward. In this case, the y component of the force will be acting upward, and the magnitude of the force will be F sine theta. Okay, as simple as that. Now coming to case 2, I have chosen the force is acting in the first quadrant. In this case, the force is making an angle theta with respect to y axis. Okay, I have changed only the angle measured with respect to x and y. Now in the second case, the angle is given with respect to y axis. So first we bring this force along y, because the angle is given with respect to y axis, so we need to resolve the component along y first. So take this force along y, it is again acting along y direction. First write the magnitude multiplied by cos of theta. Now bring the same force along x axis, it is acting along x direction. Now the component will be F into sine theta. Now keep in mind that we'll write a note. Cos is always associated with the axis from which angle is measured. So we came to know that the cos will be always with the force when, for the case 1, the cos is associated with the x axis because the angle is measured with respect to x axis. In the second case, the angle is measured with respect to y axis, so y component is F into cos theta. Now I will take one more case. In this, the force is in second quadrant. As the same, we will take the magnitude of force is F, and this is our x and y axis. Now in this case, I will take first angle with respect to x. We'll just focus on the direction of the forces, then we'll decide the sign convention. Okay, now as the force is in second quadrant, when I bring it along x, it is acting towards left. So we'll take the x component is F into cos theta. Now take the same force along y, it is acting along y direction, upward, and it is f into sine theta. Okay, again in the second case, it's case 3, it is case 4. I will take the same force in second quadrant. In this case, this angle will be a theta with respect to y axis. Now the result component will be, because angle is measured with respect to y axis, so y component is cos. So when I bring the same force along y, it is acting upward, it is f into cos theta, whereas x component will be f into sine theta. As simple as that. So whenever you resolve the force, first see whether the angle is given with respect to x axis or y axis. Based on the angle given from the axis, we need to decide which component is cos and which component is sine. This is all about resolution of